friends. It's Min again. And as you can see, I have a giant pile of stuff on my desk, which must mean that this is another husband versus crafters video. And it is, and I'm super excited about this one. This month, I asked him to pull stuff for me to make my mom's birthday card. My mom is an avid gardener, and so she loves flowers. So I knew that he had that kind of guidance. And this is the big, huge, giant pile of stuff that he's given me. So husband versus crafter rules are this. I can use any white cardstock, black ink, or adhesives I want to, but when it comes to sets and other stuff like that, I have to use what's in this pile. So let's take a look at what he gave me. He gave me 3 different colors of pearls. That's awesome. So he's given me gold, pink, and white pearls as embellishment options. So that's really nice. He's also given me these different brads. That is hilarious that he even pulled these, because honestly, I haven't used brads in forever. And I don't know that I'll use these, but he always likes to get stuff out that I haven't used in a really long time. So we've got that. He's actually given me pattern paper this time. Usually he doesn't give me pattern paper. So it looks like he's wanting me to go like neutral, pink and green is what I'm getting the vibe from, which I love, so I'm fine. He's also given me these googly eyes. I think that they're supposed to be a joke. I'm not quite sure why they're here, which is hilarious, but I'm wondering if I can figure out how to incorporate those, because that would be hilarious. And then let's see what colors of paper he's given me. He's given me a craft, and then like a medium brown, a light blue, ooh, this mint color and this yellow color together are really pretty. These are really pretty colors. And then he's given me 2 different types of twine that I can choose from. And he's given me a bunch of different washi tapes, because he knows I'm on a washi tape kick and I love washi tapes. A blender pen, probably for coloring in things. Let's see if he gave me colors that I could color in with though. He's given me my favorite Stephanie Bernard inks. Given me this darling little stamp set that I used recently for a Friday Facebook find, and the dies that go with it. Oh, more inks. And then it looks like he's given me a bunch of Great Impression stamps. I think I'm going to use these. I love these, and I have not used them for a long time. So, oh my gosh, he did such a good job this time, you guys. And he gave me pattern paper. What's up with that? Okay, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as my card base. So I'm going to cut this down to an A2 size card. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do for my card base. And then I think what I want to do, let's look here for this card. I like the pink polka dots. There's gray polka dots. I just love these double-sided pattern papers because you can totally find anything you're looking for. I am loving this polka dot. I'm liking the polka dots because do you see how these images are kind of dotted? And so I feel like that'll be nice. And you know what? I really think I'm going to use this pink. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece to create a new panel. Okay, so I've got my pink layer. And then what I think I'm going to do is, I think I'm actually going to come back with this other side of my craft. And since this is 4 1/4, I'm going to cut this at 3 1/4, and that will give me the perfect proportions for layering. And I'm really liking this craft with the pink. And so now I need to grab some white cardstock for my focal panel. And so now you can see how it's all going to kind of be layered. And I think I'm going to add some of this twine in. But I think what I'm going to do first is I'm going to create like a little floral sort of corner right here. So let me grab some paper. As you can see, this is my paper that I've been using to save the Stamper's Secret Weapon. It's from the Stamps of Life. I absolutely love it. And I think what I might do is, I think I'm gonna do the flowers first and then the leaves. I even have like a mask for the flower that I've used in years past. So I think I'm gonna grab that out too and keep that as something that I can use. And let's see, what color of flower do I want? I've got the green. I think I'm gonna do this green for the leaves. And you know what I think? I think I'm gonna have to go with this raspberry, even though it's really dark. Let me show you what it looks like. That's the raspberry. I think that that color is gonna look best with the pink. So let's go ahead. Now that I've got that flower stamped in kind of like a 3 pattern so that it's visually pleasing, I'm gonna go ahead and come in with the leaves. I am really loving how this is turning out. I really think I'm gonna go with this nice happy birthday. So I'm gonna stamp this sentiment in the black. And then I can just add like little pearls around it. Now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and we need to layer this all together. I'm going to add some twine down here to kind of create a little bit of an anchor. So let's get some of this twine off. I think I'm going to tie this in a little bow. I like doing little bows. They're fun. So when I do a bow with twine, I actually start by knotting it so that I can make sure that it's nice and tight. And yes, it does take some practice to be able to do this with just you. So it is a little bit more tricky, but I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to just make a darling little bow down here. Oh, how cute, you guys. Look how cute this is turning out. Isn't that pretty? I'm loving the colors and I think it's going to look really nice with this pink. So let's go ahead and put this all together. All right, so now for finishing touches, I need to decide which color of pearls. Do I want to use these gold, which are really nice and they match kind of like the craft colors going on? I don't think I'm gonna use white. I think it's between the gold and the pink. I think I'm gonna go with these gold ones. Okay, you guys, here is the finished card. I think it turned out so pretty. I think my mom's gonna love it. The colors look really nicely together, and honestly, I'm really glad my husband put that raspberry ink in because that is not a color I would have put with this color scheme, but it works so beautifully. And I think she's gonna love this card. So tell me what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If you have not subscribed, please do so that you don't miss out on any of these fun crafty things that I do with my husband. I do hops, I do giveaways, I do so many things. So subscribe, turn on the bell so that you get your notifications. And until next time, hugs and happy stamping, friends. Bye.